this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Right foot again. Left foot again. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Freeze! Everybody clap your hands. Come on, y'all. Check it out, y'all.
Wow, good job! Aaron, I saw you dancing your heart out. And Brittany, you're having so much fun. I'm so happy to see that. Now, there's one last part of the song we need to learn, okay? So there's a few more steps. So for next step is go low. So how low can you go? Go all the way as low as you can. Okay, and then bring it back to the top. Slowly. Okay, good. Next move is called reverse. So you're going to reverse and then go forward again. Just turn to the back, turn back, and then go forward again. So this is reverse. Good. Next is the Charlie Brown. So we're just gonna go like this, and with our hand, we're gonna put it on our head, and we're gonna go like this. This is the Charlie Brown, kids. Okay? You guys like this one, right? Okay, good. Now you've learned the whole song. So let's do it all together with the video one time, okay? Okay, let's do it.
We're gonna get funky, 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 funky. Everybody clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap your hands. All right, now, we're gonna do the basic step. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Cha-cha, real smooth. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Cha-cha now, y'all. Now it's time to get funky. To the right now. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Right foot, two stumps. Left foot, two stumps. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Crisscross. Cha-cha, real smooth. Let's go to work. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. Two hops this time. Two hops. Put two stomps. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Get funky with it. Oh, yeah. Come on. Cha-cha now, y'all. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. Five hops this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Right foot again. Left foot again. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Freeze! Everybody clap your hands. Come on, y'all. Check it out, y'all. How low can you go? Can you go down low? All the way to the floor? How low can you go? Can you bring it to the top? Like you never, never stop? Can you bring it to the top? One hop. Right foot now. Left foot now, y'all. Cha-cha, real smooth. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Reverse. Reverse. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Reverse, reverse. Reverse, reverse. Cha-cha now, y'all. Cha-cha again. Cha-cha now, y'all. Cha-cha again. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 2 hops, 2 hops. 2 hops, 2 hops. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Charlie Brown. Hop it out now. Slide to the right. Slide to the left. Take it back now, y'all. Cha-cha now, y'all. Oh, yeah.
Wow, that was beautiful. You know, I think we were gonna finish, but that was just so beautiful. I think we need to do it one more time. What do you guys think? Yes? Okay, let's do it one more time.
We're gonna get funky, 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 funky. Everybody clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap your hands. All right, now, we're gonna do the basic step. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 1 hop this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Cha-cha, real smooth. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 1 hop this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Cha-cha now, y'all. Now it's time to get funky. To the right now. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 1 hop this time. 1 hop this time. Right foot, 2 stumps. Left foot, 2 stumps. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Crisscross. Cha-cha, real smooth. Let's go to work. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 2 hops this time. 2 hops this time. Right foot, 2 stumps. Left foot, 2 stumps. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Get funky with it. Oh, yeah. Come on. Cha-cha now, y'all. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 5 hops this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Right foot again. Left foot again. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Freeze! Everybody clap your hands. Come on, y'all. Check it out, y'all. How low can you go? Can you go down low? All the way to the floor? How low can you go? Can you bring it to the top? Like you never, never stop? Can you bring it to the top? 1 hop. Right foot now. Left foot now, y'all. Cha-cha, real smooth. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 1 hop this time. 1 hop this time. Reverse. Reverse. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Reverse, reverse. Reverse, reverse. Cha-cha now, y'all. Cha-cha again. Cha-cha now, y'all. Cha-cha again. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 2 hops, 2 hops. 2 hops, 2 hops. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Charlie Brown. Hop it out now. Slide to the right. Slide to the left. Take it back now, y'all. Cha-cha now, y'all. Oh, yeah.
Wow, you guys did so good. Now you guys are all experts at the cha-cha slide. And you can show all your friends and all your family, and you guys can all do it together. Okay, well, that's all we have, the time we have for today. And until next time, see you.
Wow, wasn't that fun? It was so much fun, right? I seen everyone dancing and doing the cha-cha slide. Is there translation? Okay, so next we have, oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Oh, oh, ooh. There's so many germs that goes around, you know. Do you guys all know about hygiene? Taking care of your health. How about the next video we're gonna watch? Oh, excuse me. The next video we're gonna watch is about hygiene, okay? Sounds good, yeah? These days, we need to wear a mask. Let's watch the video. See you soon.
This is delicious. Oh, honey, are you okay? Sneezing so much. Thomas, when you sneeze, you have to cover your mouth like this, okay? Yes. Mom! Thomas, what are you doing now?
I'm giving this precious bread to my mom.
No, you can't.
Why not?
That is the hand that you just sneezed on. The germs and virus that's in your hand touched the bread. Imagine if they go inside of your mother's mouth.
No, what should I do?
You must wear a mask if you don't want to spread the virus to others. When you sneeze, cover your nose and mouth with your left sleeve or use a handkerchief. You must keep this in mind.
Aha! Achoo! Like this?
Good job, Thomas.
Oh, Karen, you should cover your mouth like this when you sneeze.
I'm sorry, I just sneezed all of a sudden.
Here, wear this so the virus can't get through the mask.
Thanks, Thomas.
Let's go play there!
Okay, Thomas.
Everyone, wash your hands very well. When you want to sneeze or cough, cover your mouth and nose with your sleeve. It is good to wear a mask. Everyone, we have learned about the appropriate sneezing etiquette and wearing a mask. What do you think about it? Was it useful?
Yes, we should make a habit of coughing the right way and always wearing a mask whenever we go outside.
Yes, that's right. Achoo!
That's right. And it doesn't end here, but it is important to keep it as a habit, to keep practicing it. Everyone, you must remember. Remember again and again and practice the appropriate sneezing etiquette. And the kids go,
Achoo!
good job.
Did you guys see the video? Wow, it's very important to wear a mask, right? To wash your hands and to make sure you cover, very important. Don't forget it, okay? I just finished washing my hands. Now, we're gonna have Bible memory verse time. We danced so much and we learned about proper hygiene. Now we're gonna remember the Bible verse. Ready? So we're gonna remember the verse from John chapter 8, verse 11. It says, we'll read it together. She said, "No one, Lord." And Jesus said to her, "Neither do I condemn you. Go and sin no more."
Sí. Ella dijo, ninguno, Señor. Entonces Jesús le dijo, ni yo te condeno, vete y no peques más.
It's from John chapter 8, verse 11.
Es el libro de Juan, capítulo 8, versículo 11.
There's a really big word up here. Do you see it? Condemn.
Aquí pueden ver una palabra muy grande, que es condenación.
Does anyone know what condemn means?
¿Alguien sabe qué significa condenación?
It means it's your fault. You did it.
El significado es tu falla, tú hiciste.
You are wrong. Condemn means you are wrong. But in this verse, Jesus is saying he does not condemn
Tú
her.
estás mal.
So in this,
Condenación significa tú estás mal. Pero Jesús dijo,
so let's try reading it together. First I will read and then you can read, okay?
vamos a intentar leer juntos. Primero yo voy a leer, luego ustedes.
So repeat after me.
Por eso ustedes repitan después de mí.
She said, now your turn. She said, "No one, Lord. No one, Lord." And Jesus said to her, and Jesus said to her, good job, continue repeating with me. "Neither do I condemn you." Now your turn. Neither do I condemn you. Go and sin no more. Go and sin no more. John chapter 8, verse 11. Yes, it's in John chapter 8, verse 11. Good job. Okay, so let's try this again, but read the first two lines and then the second two lines.
Ahora vamos a leer juntos, primero la primera fila, luego la segunda fila.
It seems like it's a little difficult, right?
Es un poco difícil, ¿verdad?
If you don't know English,
Si ustedes no saben inglés,
but I know you can do it.
pero yo sé que ustedes van a poder.
Okay, here we go. She said, "No one, Lord." And Jesus said to her, now it's your turn. She said, "No one, Lord." And Jesus said to her. Now the next part. Neither do I condemn you. Go and sin no more. Your turn. Neither do I condemn you. Go and sin no more. Good job.
Buen trabajo.
You think you can read it a little bit smoother and a little faster?
Vamos a leer lento, luego rápido.
Let's try.
Vamos a intentar juntos.
Okay, here we go. She said, "No one, Lord." And Jesus said to her, your turn. She said, "No one, Lord." And Jesus said to her, neither do I condemn you. Go and sin no more. Neither do I condemn you. Go and sin no more. Good job. I can't hear you because you guys are all muted, but I know you're doing great.
No
So?
los puedo escuchar, pero yo sé que ustedes sí lo están haciendo.
Okay, let's read it all together one more time. Okay,
Ahora vamos a leer todos juntos una vez más.
okay. She said, "No one, Lord." And Jesus said to her, "Neither do I condemn you. Go and sin no more." Now's your turn. Ready? She said, "No one, Lord." And Jesus said to her, "Neither do I condemn you. Go and sin no more." Wow. Good job, everyone. That was John chapter 8, verse 11. That's all the time we have for this now. And now, sorry. Okay, that's all the time we have for Bible memorization. And now,
Hasta aquí tuvimos el tiempo para memorizar un verso.
And now, let's take a trip around the world to a new country. Do you know where?
Vamos a irnos por el mundo, vamos a conocer un nuevo país.
Let's see. Let's go to South Korea.
Vamos a ir a Corea.
Hello everyone. We welcome
Hola
you
a
to
todos.
Korea. My name is Young Min.
Bienvenidos a Corea.
Today we will visit Korea with all of you.
Corea todos nosotros.
Hey Youngmin, this time I heard that we will introduce the top tourist spots in Korea. Is that true?
Yes, in Korea there are many tourist spots, and I heard that we are going to
En Corea
introduce
hay
the
muchos
biggest tourist
turistas.
spots. Is that true?
Vamos
Yes.
a introducir.
Then shall we depart right away?
¿Es verdad?
Then everyone, all together now. Let's
Let's
go!
go.
The first place we will visit is obviously the capital of Korea, Seoul. In Seoul, there is a palace called Gyeongbokgung, where a king lived a long time ago. It was built in the year 1395, and already 625 years have passed, but it's still standing strong. Isn't that amazing?
That's right. Also, it's much bigger than you think. If you see it for yourself, it's awesome.
Yes, what you're seeing now is the traditional costume of Korea called the hanbok. When you come to Korea, why don't you take a photo wearing these beautiful and colorful hanboks?
For sure. Next is the Namsan Tower. You could see this tower wherever you are because it is on top of a hill, so you can see all of Seoul from there. The view is beautiful and the place is so great, and you could see it sometimes in dramas. It's also famous as a secret spot where couples would come here and hang the padlocks to make memories of their own.
There is also something you can't miss when you come to Namsan Tower. That's the night view. When you go to the top of the tower, you can see all of the wonderful Seoul in one glance. If you come to Korea, you have to visit here.
Yes, everyone. There are many amazing and fun spots in Seoul, but there are too many to show, so we will go on to the next city.
You're right. Shall we go to the cool ocean? In Korea, there are many oceans. We will go to Busan, the second biggest city in Korea that is near the ocean. Because it is nearby the ocean, so you can feel the coolness of the ocean during the hot summer. It is in the southern part of Korea. Look at the beautiful ocean and the buildings. If you come to Korea, don't you think you have to come here?
That's right. Busan is one of the coolest cities in Korea.
Yep, the final place we'll visit is the 15th best amusement park in the world, called Everland. You can surely find fun rides, and there is so much to watch and eat there.
Oh yeah, the most popular Everland ride is called the T-Express. And even when you look at it from afar, it looks scary. You almost fall at a 90-degree angle. In Everland, you can always hear the thrilling screams of people on the rides. I'm too short, so I never been, but I really want. Youngmin, have you gone?
No, actually, I'm also not tall enough.
Liar, you didn't go because you were scared.
No. Anyway, everyone, these are the tourist spots that we wanted to introduce you to.
When you come to Korea, please visit the places we showed you.
My name is Youngmin, and I've been your travel guide.
I'm Sana.
Hello, everyone. My name is Hyunwoo. And my name is Kangyeok. Today, what will we explore with you? The most delicious food in Korea. Wow, Hyunwoo! Then we are going to find the most delicious food in Korea? Yep, in Korea, there is such a variety of foods. But today, you're gonna love the food that we will introduce. After I ate this for the first time, I never forgot how delicious it was. Why? What is it? It is none other than this Yangnyeom chicken. Wow, that looks so yummy! There are many types of Korean chicken. Cheese chicken, garlic chicken, soy sauce chicken, regular chicken. There are so many. The chicken we will eat is called Yangnyeom chicken. The most impressive food for foreigners who came to Korea is the Yangnyeom chicken. No way, are you serious? I'm telling you, try it. I'm actually really hungry. Oh wow, this is so delicious. What is this? It's good, right? It's the most delicious food in Korea. Still, it can't beat samgyeopsal. Samgyeopsal? Are you talking about the meat that you cook on the frying pan that you can just dip it in the sauce and wrap it with lettuce? That makes you oblivious to the world. No, you have to take the cooked meat from the frying pan and wrap it with kimchi. Put it on top of some warm rice and eat it. That taste of meat is the greatest ever. Anyways, let's dig in. Wow, looks so delicious! About the meat. It's also delicious when you wrap it with lettuce too. Everyone, samgyeopsal is a cooked pork meal. If you want it with this vegetable, the lettuce, it is so delicious. Wow! You can't just keep eating. You have to explain it to the viewers watching us. First of all, samgyeopsal is the best food of Korea. Please come and try it. Okay then, fine. Let's move on to the next food. The final Korean food we'll introduce is ramyeon. What? Everyone knows ramyeon. You're right, but the ramyeon we will eat today is extremely special. Really? What is that? The ramyeon is extremely spicy. What? You can't be talking about the ramyeon. Even Korean people have a hard time eating that ramyeon. That's right. The ramyeon we will eat is bultteokbokkeumyeon. Oh wow, the smell alone is spicy. Finally, we will eat this bultteokbokkeumyeon together. Challenge! Challenge! Oh wow. Usually it takes a while, but this one just rushes right in. How is it?
I think my stomach burns a little.
Your lips are so red.
I'm not crying because it's spicy. I just remembered something terrible.
Look, everyone, I'm almost done.
You're already done? Are you okay?
Milk, please.
I think there's a fire in my mouth.
When will it be over?
My mouth is not my own.
Me too.
Okay everyone, this was the Butak Pokemon Challenge. I'll never eat this again ever. Our video concludes here. It was so fun and the food was delicious. We had such fun introducing Korean food to you all, and I hope that you can visit Korea and taste the flavor of Korea.
If we get another chance, we will show you even more delicious food in Korea. We are Hyunwoo
And Kanghyuk.
Bye-bye! Hello everyone, I'm Youngmin.
I'm Ju.
Today is a historical day. What day is it? It is the day that I show you the church that I attend, the Good News Gangnam Church.
We're standing at the entrance of the Gangnam Church. Every time I come to church and I see that, wow, there are new flowers that bloomed around the Gangnam Church. There are many trees and a mountain, so you could see the mountain changing as the 4 seasons change.
Okay, shall we go in the church together? At the Gangnam Church, there are 3 levels underground and 4 levels above ground. In the second level, underground, is our main chapel where we have the main service.
Let's take a look at the chapel.
This is where I wanted to show you the most. There are about 2,200 seats in here. The more amazing thing is that on Sunday services, there is no seat that is empty. It's totally full.
In front of the chapel, there is a big stage. Pastor Oksu Park preaches here, and there are also many events we do here. We, the Safari Friends, perform on the stage as well. Now that I'm up here, I feel my heart racing. Oh, where is this?
This is the 3rd level of the basement, and this is the studio of the Good News TV. Let's go in together. Shh. We recently remodeled the studio. It looks really cool.
That's right. Pastor Park records the lectures of John for America's Best Christian broadcast called CTN. And every Saturday we record the visual fellowship. When I think of how many people around the world will hear the gospel and receive salvation, I am so happy. Everyone, isn't the Gangnam Chapel really cool? The church surroundings, the chapel, everything God gave us is so beautiful. I hope that you can visit our church one day.
For sure, we were so happy going here and there with you, and it brought back so many memories of things that happened at the church. We came to the Gangnam Church, received salvation, and become members of the Safari dance team. There were so many moments of joy. We are so glad that we had a chance to introduce our church. That is the end. We are your guides, Youngmin.
June.
Bye-bye.
Wow! Wow, that was amazing. Did you guys see the video? Did you visit Korea? Did you watch well?
¿Ustedes visitaron Corea? ¿Ustedes vieron bien?
Wow, I want to go to Korea now. How about you? If you want to go to
quiero ir a Corea.
Sorry.
Ahora quiero ir a Corea. ¿Qué tal ustedes?
If you watch the video well, thumbs up.
Si ustedes vieron bien el video, pongan sus dedos, denle un like.
Aww. Okay. Wow. Okay. So now it's time for a song in motion. Are you ready?
Ahora es el tiempo de la canción y los movimientos. ¿Ustedes están listos?
We're going to have song in motion with teacher Espy.
Ahora vamos a tener algunos algunos movimientos con la profesora Edmi.
You ready to move your bodies again?
¿Están listos para mover su cuerpo?
Let's call teacher Espy.
Vamos a llamar a la profesora Esfi.
Hello, everyone.
Hola a todos.
Wow, let me see. Wow,
Wow, déjenme ver.
a lot of friends are here.
Todos son amigos.
Everyone, are you guys doing well?
Todos están muy bien.
Yes, yes. I'm really happy to see you.
Estoy muy feliz por verles a ustedes.
My name is Esperanza.
Mi nombre es Esperanza.
Today, I will sing a happy hymn with you.
Hoy vamos a cantar una linda canción.
The title of the song I prepared today is
La canción que preparé para ustedes es
He's Got the Whole World.
Él tiene el mundo entero.
Yes. So, let's read. Let me tell you one more time. He's got the whole world.
Déjenme decirle una vez más, Él tiene el mundo entero.
Yes. So, before we start, let's listen to music first.
Antes de empezar, primero vamos a escuchar la música.
He's got the whole world in his hands. 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 Sing it, kids!
He's got you and me, brother, in his hands. He's got you and me, sister, in his hands. He's got you and me, brother, in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands.
Let me hear it now.
He's got the itty bitty baby in his hands. He's got the itty bitty baby in his hands. He's got the itty bitty baby in his hands. He's got the whole world 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 in his hands.
Oh yeah!
Wow. Everyone, do you like this song?
¿A todos les gusta esta canción?
If you like it, please give me a thumbs up.
Si les gusta, denme un dedo arriba.
Good. Thank you, guys. So from now
Muchas
on,
gracias.
I will let you
Desde
know.
ahora,
I will let you know the lyrics. Okay?
quiero mostrarles la letra.
Yes. So I will tell you first,
Primero les voy a decir,
and you can follow me.
después ustedes pueden seguirme.
So I'm start first.
Primero yo voy a empezar.
He's got the whole world. Your time. Ready, go. He's got the whole world. Okay, let's try one more time, okay? Listen carefully.
Vamos a intentar una vez más.
He's got the whole world.
In his hand. One more time. In his hand. Right. Good. So we have some motion this part. So can you follow me?
Tenemos aquí unos movimientos. ¿Pueden seguirme?
He's got the whole word. He's got the whole word in his hand. In his hand. Right. And next. He's got you and me, brother. Ready? Go.
Él y tú y yo son mis hermanos.
Okay, ready? Go. He's got you and me, brother.
Tú y yo somos hermanos.
In his hand. Ready? Go.
En sus manos.
In his hand. Right. And my turn. He's got you and me, sister.
Él y no, yo y él somos hermanas.
In his hand.
En sus manos.
Yes. And he's got you and me, brother. In his hand.
En sus manos.
And the last part, he's got
En
the
los-
whole world. He's got
De-
the whole world
Dentro de la mano,
in his hand.
todo el mundo.
Okay.
En sus manos.
Good job, good job. Okay, let me move on the next. He's got little bitty baby. Okay, so let me,
Den- Dentro de pequeño bebé en sus manos.
okay, let me tell you one more time.
Déjenme decirle una vez más.
He's got the little bitty baby. Your turn. Ready, go. He's got the little bitty baby. Good job. In his
Muy bien.
hand. Okay. And he's got the whole world in his hand. Okay. So let's do one more time this part, only this part.
Vamos a hacer una vez más esta parte.
Let me do one more time. He's got the little bitty baby. Now your turn. Ready, go. He's got the little bitty baby in his hand. Great. And last, he's got the whole world in his hand. Okay, let's move on to next. This is same lyrics as before.
Este es la misma letra que anterior.
Okay, so let's try to read together.
Vamos a tratar de leer todos juntos.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. He's got the whole world in his hand. Okay, let's read it one more time. Ready, go. He's got the whole world in his hand. Okay, so everyone, can you follow me?
¿Todos pueden seguirme?
So if you follow me, well, please give me your heart.
Si ustedes pueden seguirme, denme un corazón.
Thank you. Wow. Okay. So we can I can let you know song, okay? The simple melody. So please repeat after me, okay?
Ahora les voy a dar la melodía y ustedes repitan después de mí.
Okay, so he's got the whole world in his hand. Like this. Wow. Okay, so let's sing a song together. Ready?
Vamos a
go.
cantar juntos. 1, 2.
1, 2, 3. He's got the whole world in his hand. And he's got the whole world in his hand. And he's got the whole world in his hand. And he's got the whole world in his hand. Yes, yes. And then let me move on the next, okay? This part, my turn. He's got you and me, brother, in his hand. Ready, go. He's got you and me, brother, in his hand. My turn. He's got you and me, sister, in his hand. Your turn. Ready, go. He's got you and me, sister, in his hand. Great. And my turn. He's got you and me, brother, in his hand. Your turn. Ready, go. He's got you and me, brother, in his hand. Last, he's got whole world in his hand. Your time. Ready, go. He's got the whole world in his hand. Great. And let me move on next. My turn. He's got the little bitty baby in his hand. Your turn. Ready, go. He's got the little bitty baby in his hand. And one more time. He's got a little bitty baby in his hand. Your turn. Ready, go. He's got a little bitty baby in his hand. One more time. He's got a little bitty baby in his hand. Your turn. Ready, go. He's got a little bitty baby in his hand. Last part. He's got the whole world in his hand. Yes. So we can sing all together from the start to very end, okay? Everybody ready? Ready?
¿Están todos listos?
Okay, so let's try to sing together with the music.
Vamos a intentar cantar todos juntos con la canción. Con la música.
He's got the whole world in his hands. 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 Sing it, kids.
He's got you and me, brother, in his hands. He's got you and me, sister, in his hands. He's got you and me, brother, in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands.
Let me hear it now.
He's got the itty bitty baby in his hands. He's got
¿A todos les gusta esta canción?
Yeah, if you like it, please give me a thumbs up.
Si les gusta, denme un dedo arriba.
Thank you so much.
Muchas gracias.
So, let me see. Actually, we need to sing one more time, okay?
Vamos a cantar una vez más, ¿está bien?
So, let's try to sing all together, everybody.
Vamos a cantar todos juntos.
He's got the whole world in his hands. 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 Sing it, kids.
He's got you and me, brother, in his hands. He's got you and me, sister, in his hands. He's got you and me, brother, in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands.
Let me hear it now.
He's got the itty bitty baby in his hands. He's got the itty bitty baby in his hands. He's got the itty bitty baby in his hands. He's got the whole world 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 in his
Hands. Oh yeah!
Wow, thank you so much.
Muchas
Okay,
gracias.
okay, everyone. So I'm gonna finish here,
Vamos a terminar aquí.
and let me pray. So
Vamos a orar.
please close your eyes and please,
Cierren sus ojos.
and then put your hands together.
Pongan sus manos juntas.
Please close your eyes.
Cierren sus ojos.
Heavenly Father, thank you so much giving us this time.
Gracias, Señor, por darnos este tiempo.
Father, we are really happy in God,
Padre, estamos muy felices en Dios.
and also we are really happy that Jesus died for us.
También estamos muy felices porque Jesús murió por nosotros.
And I'm so thankful that I met the Bolivia friends.
Estoy muy agradecida porque podía encontrar amigos de Bolivia.
God, please open their ear, open their heart during the sermon time.
Dios, por favor, abra nuestros oídos, abra nuestro corazón para poder escuchar la palabra de Dios.
Thank you so much giving us this time.
Gracias, Dios, por darnos este tiempo.
I prayed in the name of Jesus Christ.
Oramos en el nombre del Señor Jesucristo.
Amen.
Amén.
Okay, guys, so we are going to listen the word of God.
Está bien, chicos. Ahora vamos a escuchar la palabra de Dios.
Yes, so please welcome the Pastor Lee.
Por favor, demos la bienvenida al Pastor Noé.
목사님 소리가 안 들려요.
Buenas tardes, ¿cómo están, niños? Disculpe. A ver, quiero escuchar. A ver, como igual que ayer. A ver, ¿cómo están los niños, Liberalta? ¡Ah! ¡Bien! ¿Cómo están, niños de Santa Cruz? ¡Ah! Muy bien. ¿Cómo están, niños de La Paz? ¡Ah! ¿Cómo están, niños de Estados Unidos? Ay, no sabe como español, por eso. Ah, qué bien, qué bien. Ay, yo estoy muy agradecido a Dios con los niños y también juntos. Ah, disculpe, Bolivia también. Piacha, ¿cómo están los niños? Qué bien, qué bien. Oh, sí, verdad, que ayer con Pastor juntos hemos compartido la palabra de Dios, ¿sí o no? ¿Sabe ayer que hemos compartido la palabra de Dios? ¿Sí sabe? ¿No? Ayer yo dije, como juntos nosotros vamos a gritar. Sí, como Liberalta, como sabe. A ver, Santa Cruz no sabe nada. ¿No? Ya vamos a gritar. Vamos a gritar juntos con Pastor. ¡Levántate! Vamos a gritar. ¡Levántate! Toma tu lecho y anda. Muy bien, los niños, muy bien. Ayer, Pastor compartió la palabra de Dios, San Juan capítulo 5, enfermo, 38 años. ¿Verdad que Dios que nos permitió esos tiempos? Que enfermo, 38 años, que estaba acostado, no podía hacer nada, no podía entrar al estanque. Todos los enfermos estaban, ciego, cojo y también como paralítico. No sé cuántos como enfermos estaban, yo no sé. Muchísimos enfermos estaban, ¿sí o no? Pero ellos, ¿dónde están mirando? Ellos miraban en el estanque. Jesucristo llegó a este lugar, pero todito ¿cómo estaba? Todito está mirando, no Jesús. Todito está mirando agua, estanque. Cuando va a mover a agua, primero quiere entrar de estanque. ¿Por qué? Si primero entra, entonces va a sanar. Por eso toditos los enfermos están mirando al estanque. Pero Jesucristo llegó. Quiere encontrar una persona. ¿Quién es? Enfermo, 38 años. Jesucristo preguntó, ¿quieres ser sano? Sí, como recibido esta pregunta, entonces, sí, Señor, quiero, así va a decir. Pero no se puede. Él no puede ir solo a estanque. No está papá, no está mamá, no está su hermano, no está sus amigos. Entonces no puede, no puedo. Entonces, Jesucristo dijo, ayer nosotros gritamos, ¿sí o no? Que levántate, toma tu lecho y anda. Entonces Jesucristo compartió esta palabra. Enfermo 38 años, puede levantar, puede caminar, puede correr. ¿Por qué? Ya como la palabra de Jesucristo entró en su corazón. Por eso hoy, pastor, como yo, por pastor, estoy repitiendo que compartiendo ayer cómo estaba. Hoy los niños muy bien, escucharon muy bien la palabra de Dios. Hoy, pastor, quiero compartir la palabra de Dios. San Juan capítulo 8. San Juan capítulo 8, que sale. ¿Como quién sale? La mujer adúltera. Los niños, ¿usted cómo conoce la ley de Moisés? Dios mandó la ley de Moisés. No van a cometer error, no robar, no mentir, no también que no haga muchas cosas. Pero una mujer que estaba allí, como hizo adúltero. Varios como hombres que he encontrado y también los fariseos agarraron a ella. Tú cometiste error. Tú cometiste pecado. A través de la ley de Moisés, entonces tú vas a morir. Entonces la mujer, ¿cómo está? No, yo no quiero morir, yo no quiero. Pero la ley está diciendo, si no cumple la ley, como piedra grande, piedra como pastor, así como de cabeza, ¿no? Tan grande, ¿sí o no? Entonces para esta piedra, tira la mujer adúltera. Entonces toditos los fariseos quieren matar a ella. Pero, a ver, un momento. Vamos a llevar a Jesús. Jesucristo, ¿qué van a decir? Jesucristo, ¿qué van a hablar? Vamos. Entonces toditos de los fariseos llevaron a Jesucristo. La mujer adúltera llegó a Jesús y los fariseos que están al lado de ellos. Todos tienen piedra. A ver, vamos a ver. Jesucristo, ¿qué van a decir? Jesucristo, ¿qué van a hablar? Vamos a ver. Jesús. Un momento. Jesucristo. Mira ahora aquí. Una mujer adúltera. ¿Usted qué van a decir? A través de la ley de Moisés, para tirar la piedra contra ella. Entonces, ¿usted qué van a decir? Jesucristo estaba sentado. Jesucristo escribió su dedo en la tierra. A ver, y dijo, ¿así? Entonces, entre ustedes no tienen pecado, tira la piedra contra ella. No tiene pecado, tiene piedra contra ella. Y otra vez Jesucristo escribió su dedo. Entonces, escuchando los fariseos, sin pecado, para matarla, para tirar la piedra a ella, vamos a pensar. ¿Verdad que los fariseos recibieron esta palabra? Sin pecado, ¿cómo puedo? ¿Cómo tirar la piedra? Uy, un momento. Vamos a ver mi corazón. Vamos a ver mi corazón. Uy, yo tengo pecado. Uy, ¿verdad? Yo tengo pecado. Uy, sucio. Yo tengo pecado. Entonces, mirando a su corazón, los fariseos salieron uno a uno. Saliendo, no está con la mujer adúltera y con Jesús. Salían uno. Disculpe un momento. Yo voy a ir a mi casa. Un momento, Señor. Yo tengo la cita. Un momento, Señor. Yo voy a ir a otro lado. Entonces, poco a poco está saliendo. No está nadie. No está nadie. Y Jesucristo dijo, mujer, levante sus ojos. Mira, nadie te condenó. Ella levantó su ojo. Está mirando aquí, acá, y una vuelta. Disculpe. Entonces, nadie está. Nadie está. Los fariseos se fueron. ¿Y qué más? Jesucristo dijo esta palabra. Vamos a ver. ¿Qué palabra que Jesucristo hizo? ¿Ya listo, niños? Vamos a gritar otra vez, al igual que ayer. ¿Sí puede? ¿Jesucristo qué dijo? Ya vamos a repetir. A ver, vamos a repetir juntos. Aquí Santa Cruz, aquí también La Paz, Liberata. Aquí también que María, ¿no? Auxiliadora, no, todito aquí. Disculpe, yo no sé. También Esther, también aquí, todito están mirando los niños. Repíteme. Vamos a gritar con pastor. Ya vamos. Jesucristo dijo, ni yo te condeno. Vete, no peques más. A ver. No escucho bien. A ver. Vamos, niño, liberata. Ok. Vamos a gritar, niños de liberata. ¿Sí? Conmigo, pastor, ni yo te condeno. Vete, no peques más. ¡Wow! Muy bien los niños de Libereta. ¡Wow! A ver, La Paz, ¿dónde está La Paz? La Paz, ¿dónde está? La Paz Central también. Vamos, ¿sí? Conmigo, pastor. Ni yo te condeno. Vete, no peques más. ¡Wow! Muy bien, muy bien. La paz también. La paz central también, muy bien. Muy bien. ¿Verdad que los niños, Jesucristo dijo esta palabra? Ni yo te condeno. Oye, ¿por qué Jesucristo dijo esta palabra? A ver, Santa Cruz. ¿Cómo está el niño de Santa Cruz? ¡Wow! Vamos a gritar con pastor, ¿sí? 1, 2, 3. Ni yo te condeno. Vete, no peques más. Hoy menos, disculpe, diferente que líder alta, diferente que La Paz. Disculpe. Wow, verdad, los niños están muy bien. Aquí está Valentina, aquí está Jenny, aquí está Gaby, aquí está como Rachel, toditos los niños de Estados Unidos también vamos a gritar con pastor, ¿sí? Amén. Amén. Vamos a gritar juntos. 1, 2, 3. Ni yo te condeno. Vete, no peques más. ¿Por qué Jesucristo dijo esta palabra? ¿Por qué Jesucristo dijo, ni yo te condeno? Vete, no peques más. Jesucristo, ¿por qué? Él es Salvador. Jesucristo, Él perdonó el pecado de la mujer adúltera. Jesucristo no tiene pecado. Jesucristo no tiene nada de pecado, ya perdonó. Por eso Jesucristo está diciendo, mujer, yo voy a decir algo, ni yo te condeno. Vete, no peques más. ¿Por qué Jesucristo dijo, niños? O sea, otra vez vamos a gritar juntos. Los Olivia de los niños. A ver, vamos a ver los niños de Santa Cruz. Vamos a ver. Vamos a gritar juntos. La iglesia de Central de La Paz también. Vamos a gritar juntos. Liberalta también. Vamos a gritar. 1, 2, 3. Ni yo te condeno. Vete, no peques más. Ya, muy bien, Santa Cruz, los niños. Muy bien, muy bien. ¿Verdad? Jesucristo dijo, ni yo te condeno. ¿Por qué? Jesucristo, Él es luz. Jesucristo, Él es luz del mundo. La luz está aquí. Jesucristo, ¿dónde está? Niños, Jesucristo, ¿dónde está? Está en nuestros corazones. Jesucristo, ¿dónde está? Jesucristo está en nuestro corazón está. Por eso Dios usted nos permitió esta palabra. Ya Jesucristo perdonó.
Siéntete.
Nuestro pecado. Jesucristo está con nosotros. Por eso que nosotros estamos muy agradecidos a Dios. Jesucristo está diciendo a los niños, ni yo te condeno. Vete, no peques más. ¿Verdad que Jesucristo, que, Dios, usted puede, que, dijo, que puede buscar, último, ahí. ¿Verdad? Jesucristo está en nuestros corazones. La luz está con ustedes. Pastor, estoy muy agradecido para compartir con los niños. Jesucristo está en sus corazones. Jesucristo está con ustedes. Pastor Osupak siempre está diciendo esta palabra. Jesucristo está para siempre. Todavía no termina. Siempre. ¿Verdad que Jesucristo está con usted para siempre? Por eso los niños que sus pecados están en Cristo Jesús. Ya está sus pecados, está allá. ¿Con quién? Ya pasó Jesucristo. Por eso ustedes, los niños, no tienen pecado. Los niños no tienen nada. La luz está con ustedes. La luz está con los niños de Liberalta, los niños de Piacha, los niños de Central de La Paz, los niños de Santa Cruz, los niños de, no sé, María, disculpe, también como Esther, también como Anaí, toditos nosotros los niños de Estados Unidos también, que ya no hay pecado. Jesucristo que está diciendo. Vamos a gritar juntos otra vez. Amén. Vamos a preparar. ¿Listo? A la 1, a la 2, a la 3. Ni yo te condeno. Vete. No peques más. ¿Verdad que me siento muy agradecido? Los niños de La Paz, los niños de Santa Cruz, los niños de Liberalta, que toditos que pueden llegar a esta palabra. Ni yo te condeno. Vete, no peques más. ¿Por qué? Jesucristo está para siempre con ustedes. Amén. ¿Ya está listo? ¿Verdad? Jesucristo entregó la gracia. Jesucristo entregó la misericordia. Que, ¿verdad? Que campamento de inglés camp. Que bienvenidos los niños. Y también vamos a avanzar. Y también vamos a participar. Pastor, cuando yo era joven, sí, todavía yo soy joven, ¿sí? Sí, todavía. Cuando yo era joven, yo vine aquí a Sudamérica para misionero temporal. Los niños también tienen que orar a Dios. Señor, yo también quiero ir a otros países. Yo no quiero estar aquí solamente. Quiero ir a África. Quiero ir a Asia. Quiero ir a Estados Unidos. Quiero ir a Rusia. Los niños aquí con Iglesia Misión Buenas Nuevas, que Dios usted nos ha entregado la gracia. Pastor, cuando era niño, cuando era secundaria, que como manejaba moto, brum, 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 con robado. Si no he encontrado como Misión Buenas Nuevas, la iglesia, ¿dónde estoy? ¿Dónde estaría? ¿Sí o no? Niños que secundaria y joven, que también universidad, que Dios nos permitió, me permitió que estar aquí para compartir con los jóvenes, niños, con ustedes, ¿no? Que no se olviden que Dios está con ustedes, Jesucristo que está diciendo a los niños que ni yo te condeno. Por eso estoy muy agradecido a Dios. Hasta aquí nosotros vamos a compartir. Cerramos nuestros ojos, inclinando nuestro rostro, oremos. Vamos a orar, cerramos nuestros ojos, inclinando nuestro rostro, oremos. Vamos a orar, sí. Vamos a repetir, ¿no? Con un pastor. Padre Dios, le damos gracias. Hoy también Dios nos dio la palabra. Jesucristo dijo, ni yo te condeno. Vete, no peques más. Ya no van a pasar a más condenación. Porque Jesucristo ya está limpiado. Jesucristo ya nos ha entregado perfecto. Aquí los niños ya está salvación. Jesucristo dijo, ni yo te condeno. Vete, no peques más. Dios nos ha entregado esta palabra. Por eso los niños de Bolivia, Santa Cruz, Ribera Alta, La Paz, y también como toditos de Bolivia y Estados Unidos, los niños no tienen pecado. Muchísimas gracias, Señor, su obra que está con nosotros. Muchísimas gracias, encomendamos todo, oramos en el nombre de nuestro Señor Jesucristo. Amén y amén. Gracias, niños. Gracias, chao.
Thank you, Pastor. Wow. Can we clap
Muchas gracias, Pastor.
Can we clap our hands for Pastor one more time?
Vamos a aplaudir una vez más al Pastor.
He delivered the word of God to us.
Él nos mostró la palabra de Dios a nosotros.
The word of God says he remembers our sin no more.
Él dijo que Dios no recuerda más nuestro pecado.
So do we have sin? We have no sin.
Entonces nosotros tenemos pecado.
And
Nosotros no tenemos pecado.
And where is Jesus? Do you know?
¿Dónde está Jesús? ¿Ustedes saben?
Who knows?
¿Quién sabe?
Jesus is in our heart.
Jesús está en nuestro corazón.
If Jesus is in your heart, give me a big heart. Big heart.
Si Jesús está en su corazón, démele un corazón grande.
Jesus is in my heart. I heard the word.
Jesús está en mi corazón.
Yay. Now we have a special performance.
Ahora tenemos una especial presentación.
The kids from Myanmar made a play in English.
Los niños de Myanmar, the kids play.
The Little Red Riding Hood.
Un pequeño gorro rojo.
Also, we have one more performance after that.
Después de eso tenemos una presentación más.
It's from the official IYF dance team, American dance team.
Es el especial de IYF Sueño Americano.
Let's watch it together.
Vamos a ver juntos.
This is the story of a little girl called Her Little Red Riding Hood. She always wear a red coat with a red cape. One day, Little Red Riding Hood's mother sent her daughter on an errand.
Now, Little Riding Hood, here is
roja.
a nice piece of meat and bread. Listen carefully. Grandma is sick all alone. I want you to go to her house and give this food for her.
Oh, poor Granny.
Yes, Mother. You have to go straight to Granny's house.
Yes, Mom.
Don't talk to strangers.
No, Mama, I won't. Don't worry.
Be very careful, my love.
Yes, Mama, I will.
Gracias, mamá. Te quiero.
She walked along the path through the forest to Granny's house. She was skipping happily along the road when suddenly a big wolf came out of the bush.
Watch out for the wolf. Watch out, watch out. The wolf is big. The wolf is bad. Watch out for the wolf. Watch out, watch out.
Mira afuera, mira afuera.
Good day, pretty little girl.
Good day, Mr. Wolf.
Where are you going?
Buenos días.
What is that?
Amiga.
Just some food for my granny. She is very sick.
The wolf was very hungry.
This girl and the granny sound yummy to my tummy. Where does your granny live?
Granny lives in the little pink house at the edge of the forest.
Look over here. Look at the pretty flowers. Why don't you pick some for your granny? Stop for a while. Stop for a while. Pick some flowers for your granny.
What a good idea. Don't stop. Don't stop. Mama told you not to stop and to talk to strangers.
Mi madre me dijo que no tengo
Off
que
and
parar.
pick the pretty flowers while the wolf ran as fast as he could to Granny's house.
Porque estaba muy bonito.
Yes, who is there?
It's me. Me a basket of meat and bread from Mama.
Come in, my dear. Come in and see your granny.
So the big bad wolf opened the found old Granny sick in bed and gobbled her up in one big bite. Then he went and put off Granny's cap and climbed into bed and waited and waited.
Where's that girl?
He didn't have to wait very long. In a few moments, he heard Little Red Riding Hood knocking at the door.
Who? Granny, it's me, Little Red Riding Hood.
Come in, my dear. Come in. Come in and see your granny.
Oh no, don't go in. That's not Granny. Don't go in.
No, no entres,
here,
no
my
entres. No,
dear.
eso, abuela.
Look at those
Entra.
ears.
Oh, Granny, what big ears you have.
The better to hear you
Oh.
with. Look at those
Oh,
eyes.
abuela, ¿por qué tienes
Oh,
tus orejas
Granny,
tan
what big
grandes?
eyes you have.
The better to
Oh,
see
abuela.
you with. Look at
¿Por qué
those
tienes tus
teeth.
ojos tan grandes?
Oh,
Es para
Granny,
ver tus
what big teeth you have.
The better to eat
tus
you with.
dientes muy grandes.
And just as he
Para
spoke,
comerte.
the wolf jumped up and gobbled Little Red Riding Hood up in one big
Para
bite.
comer.
Oh no! Oh no! We told you so! We told you so!
Now the wolf was very full, so he climbed into Granny's bed
Porque
and
el lobo
asleep.
estaba muy lleno.
Then he
La
began
niña
to
estaba
snore
muy
louder and louder. A friendly hunter walking by the house heard the noise and stopped.
What's that sound? It's very loud. I will stop and see if Granny's okay.
The hunter knocked and went in. He heard someone snoring and saw the big bad wolf
El
in Granny's
leñador
bed.
tocó la puerta
Oh no,
y vio
Granny!
y
The
empezó a
hunter
crujir.
cut a hole in the wolf's stomach and saved Little Red Riding Hood and her granny.
Y podía
He's
salir
dead!
la
He's dead!
perrita.
The wolf is dead! The big bad wolf is dead!
El lobo
Hooray!
está muerto, el lobo está muerto, sí.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Muchas gracias, leñador. Muchas gracias.
I watch the sun come up in every city.
Primer día en clase.
So free. All those beautiful faces stay with me.
Un nuevo.
My heart a strong memory. Now let's go back to that playground and remember when we raced through
Abrir el corazón.
with our friends. Let's vibe out on good
Felices.
times in our cups. Yeah, maybe get
Buenos amigos.
we ain't never growing up. But we're never growing up.
Sueño Americano presenta un nuevo día.
Can you feel the rush? It's a brand new day. Every second is another chance to celebrate. We're finally here to the air. I'm with my crew. Open your heart, the magic is inside of you.
Breathe it in, the air is changing. Keep moving forward, now it starts.
Ready, set, go, go, go. Let the rhythm set you free. Are you ready? Come with me. Ready, set, go, go, go. Just imagine that you can. We'll make it to the end. Got everything I need. All the mountains hit, and we probably wear our kids. We lost it. Hey, hey, we lost it.
Hold up, don't stress on it. Know the nerves and the jitters get the best of you. Just take your time and adjust your mind. There'll be happy times and a whole new vibe. Get a fresh start and a new beginning. And best believe being you is how you truly winning. So breathe, relax, and enjoy the ride. Count on Club Mickey to be on your side.
Ready, set, go, go, go. Let the rhythm set you free. Are you ready? Come with me. Ready, set, go, go, go. Just imagine that you can. We'll make it to the end. Got everything I need. New friends, new start.
Back together.
Good friends, good times, new start. It's my time. It's my time. It's my time.
Yeah. Woke up this morning with a smile, yeah. I'm turning up my favorite gonna spread my wings and fly. It's my time to shine. When there's rain, when there's clouds, no they won't get me down. I know that it's my time to shine. Gonna dance, gonna shout, turn it up, make it loud. I know that it's my time to shine. It's my time. It's my time. It's my time. It's my time. When the times get tough, I will rise above it and I won't give up the fight. Though the road is long, I'll keep holding on and I feel so alive. I know that it's my time to shine. It's my time to rise. I'm gonna spread my wings and fly. It's my time to shine. When there's rain, when there's clouds, no they won't get me down. I know that it's my time to shine. Gonna dance, gonna shout, turn it up, make it loud. I know that it's my time to shine. It's my time. Oh, it's my time. It's my time. It's my time. It's my time. Yeah. It's my time.
Hello, everyone. Hola, niños. Hola, niñas. Nice to see all of you.
Mucho gusto de verlos.
I am so happy that you guys are all here for this camp.
Estoy muy contenta porque están aquí en el campamento.
But so sadly, today is the last day of the camp.
Pero también estoy muy triste porque hoy es el último día del campamento.
And I'm so sad that I cannot see you guys anymore.
Estoy muy triste porque ya no los voy a poder ver.
So how about today for our program?
Hoy vamos a tener para nuestro programa,
We do something fun.
vamos a hacer algo muy divertido.
Okay? We are going to play a game.
Vamos a jugar un juego.
Do you guys all know the story of Noah's Ark?
¿Ustedes conocen la historia de el arca de Noé?
Remember, all the animals had to go inside of the Noah's Ark, right?
¿Ustedes recuerdan todos los animales que tienen que entrar dentro del arca de Noé?
So we are going to guess which animals went inside of the Noah's Ark.
Vamos a adivinar qué animales estaban dentro del arca de Noé.
So I am going to act out the animal and you have to guess which animal I am.
Yo voy a hacer un movimiento de un animal y ustedes tienen que adivinar qué animal es.
Okay, so you guys ready? For the students in America, I know you guys know all these animals.
Los estudiantes de Estados Unidos, yo sé que ustedes saben.
So students in America, don't say anything, okay?
Los niños de Estados Unidos no digan nada, ¿está bien?
Okay, you guys ready?
¿Están listos?
If you guys are ready, show me a big O.
Si ustedes están listos, muéstrenme una O.
Okay, let's go. First animal.
El primer animal.
Wee. Oh, wee. ¿Qué animal soy? What animal am I?
¿Qué animal soy?
Yeah, I see. Briella, you say, oh, what is this? In Espanol, elefante, right? But in English, it's called elephant. Elephant. Repite después de mí. Elephant. One more time. Elephant. Good. Good job. Good job. Okay. Which animal should I pretend to be now? Second animal.
Segundo animal.
¿Qué animal soy? Which animal am I?
Conejo. Conejo.
Exactly, conejo. Do you know what it is in English? In English? In English?
¿Ustedes saben
Rabbit.
cómo se dice en inglés?
Repeat after me. Repite después de mí. Rabbit.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Good. Very, very, very good. You guys are smart. Very smart. Okay. Third animal. Oh. Oh. Lobo. That's good. Muy bien. Do you know in English what lobo is? In English? Nobody knows, right? Okay, it's okay. I will teach you. Lobo in English is wolf. Repite después de mí. Wolf. Wolf.
Wolf.
That's right. Who did that? Oh, I'm so happy that you guys are learning English. Lobo es wolf in English, right? In English, lobo is wolf. Repeat after me. Wolf. Oh! Good. Fourth animal. Okay, fourth animal. Which animal do you think went inside of the Ark of Noah? Okay, fourth animal. What am I? ¿Qué animal soy? In Spanish, in español. What do you think it is? Can anyone guess? ¿Qué animal soy?
Serpiente.
Serpiente. Bingo. High five. You got it. Serpiente in español, right? In English, okay, in español, serpiente, in English, snake, snake. No bonito, no bonito. Very, very scary, okay? So good. Serpiente, in English, it is snake. Repite después de mí. Snake. Okay, good job, good job. Okay, what other animals? What other animals went inside of the ark? Let's think. How about this animal?
¿Qué tal este animal?
¿Qué animal soy? ¿Qué animal? What is it?
Pingüino.
Pingüino. Bingo. Good job, good job. I am learning Spanish. I know this one. It's called pingüino. Pero, do you know what it is in English? It sounds similar. Pingüino
Pingüino.
Penguin, that's right. Very, very similar, right? Pingüino, in English, penguin. Pingüino, penguin. Repeat it después de mí. Penguin.
Penguin. Penguin.
Penguin. Yay, good job, good job. Very, very smart, okay? So, let's see. What other animals went inside of Noah's Ark? Big animal, okay? It's like this. ¿Qué animal soy?
Un gorila. Gorila. Un gorila. Gorila.
Un gorilla, good job. You know what it is in English? In English? It's same actually. It's called gorilla.
Gorilla.
In Spanish, gorilla. In English, gorilla. The same. Woo! Good job, good job. Okay. This one is hard. This one is hard. Okay? Let me try to act it out. This animal.
Un perezoso. Un perezoso. Un perezoso. Un perezoso.
Wow, how did you know that? Also perezoso, right? What is it in English? Do you know what it is in English?
No sé.
No sé, you don't know? It's okay, no problemo. Okay? In English, it's called sloth. Sloth. Yeah, very different, right? Also perezoso, in English, it is called sloth. Repito después de mí. Sloth. Sloth. Good job. So very, very simple in English. Perezoso, sloth. Okay? Good. Muy bien. Okay. Another hard one. You gotta think. It is as pájaro. But you have to know their name. Okay? Pájaro.
Un pato. Gallo. Un pato. Gallo. Un pato gallo.
Let's see. I think this is called woodpecker. Yeah, I think pájaro carpintero. Pájaro carpintero. Is that right? Carpinteria. Okay. In English, it's called woodpecker. Repeat it después de mí. Woodpecker. Good. One more time. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. Yay. You guys have very good pronunciation. Woodpecker. Okay. Let me think. 4 more animals. Okay? 4 more animals. What am I? Yes.
Canguro.
Canguro? Sí. Muy bien, canguro. You know what it is in English? It sounds similar. Canguro. In English, it's called kangaroo. Kangaroo. Similar. Yeah. In Spanish, in español, kangaroo. Yeah, kangaroo. Good job. Very, very similar. Okay, 3 more animals left. Let's see. Easy. Okay.
Quack, 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 quack.
Un pato. Un pato. Pato, pato.
Un
Pato.
Un pato is correcto, correcto. In español, un pato, un pato, un pato. In English, it's called a duck. Repeat after me. Duck. Duck. Bingo. Thank you. Gracias, Sara Galili. Y Genesis. Gracias. Yes, in English, it's called a duck. Pato, as in English, duck. Again. Duck. That's right. Good. We have 2 more animals left. Okay. Which animal do you think is in the ark? Okay. ¿Qué animal soy?
Cangrejo. Cangrejo.
Cangrejo. Bingo. Muy bien. Cangrejo. In English, it's with 4 letters. 4 letters. Okay, it's called crab. Repeat it después de mí. Crab.
Crab.
Good. Crab. Crab. Good. Cangrejo is crab in English. Okay, we have 1 more animal left. Which animal went inside of Noah's Ark? Hint. Very small animal. Muy small animal. Okay? And you try to act it out. ¿Qué animal soy? No sé? Don't know?
Abeja.
Bingo! Abeja. Abeja, yes.
No apague el micrófono.
Okay, yeah, it's called abeja.
Abeja.
In English, anybody know? In English, it's called bee. Después de, repite después de mí. Bee.
Bee.
Good job, guys. Wow. Okay, so we are going to review. Okay, we are going to review all the animals. Okay, we are going to review. Okay, so elefante in English, repite, elephant. Elephant. Let me go ahead and let me do it one more time. Okay, review. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we are going to review all the animals. Okay, vamos a repasar todos los animales. Okay. Okay. So. Okay, let me see.
A huge selection of beer, wine, and liquor from wherever I am. I just open the app.
Okay. All right, review. Okay, so in Spanish, elefante. In English, what was it? Elephant. It's called elephant. Repite después de mí. Elephant.
Elephant.
Elephant. Good, good. Okay, next animal. Remember? Bunny, conejo. In English, it's called rabbit. Repeat after me. Repite después de mí. Rabbit.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Rabbit. Good, good job. Okay, next animal. Remember? Oh! Right? Lobo. What is it in English? Oh! In English, it's called a wolf. Repeat. Wolf.
Wolf. Wolf.
Yay, good job. Muy bien. Wolf.
Wolf.
Muy bien. Okay, fourth animal. Remember?
Night. Night.
In English, it's called snake. Repeat
Snake.
después de mí. Snake.
Snake.
Woo! Good job, good job. Wow, you guys have good pronunciation. Good job. Okay, penguino. Remember, penguino sounds similar in English. It's called penguin. Repite después de mí. Penguin.
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 Ah, good job. Wow, you guys are so smart. Oh my gosh. Okay, remember this? Remember this? It's the same, yes. Gorilla.
Gorilla.
That's right. It's the same. Spanish and English, it's both gorilla. Okay, next animal. Remember? Perezoso in English, sloth.
Sloth.
Like this.
Sloth.
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 Wow, you guys' pronunciation so good. Sloth. Okay, you have to say that. Good. What about this? Remember?
Pato.
Pájaro. It's a pájaro, but pájaro carpinteria. Oh, carpinterio. It's called in English
Pájaro carpinterio.
woodpecker.
Carpintero.
That's right, woodpecker. Remember that. Okay, you are going to. Who knows
Pájaro carpintero. Pájaro carpintero.
Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Sounds same. It's similar, right? So kangaroo is kangaroo in English. Good job. Good job. What about? Was it? Pato. Pato. No, pato in English. It's called duck. One more time. Duck. Yes, good job. Woo, good job. All right, 2 more to go. 2 more review. Okay, next one. Remember, we walk.
Grab.
Oh, in English. Crab. Repeat it. Crab. Hey, good job, good job. Okay, last animal. Oh, last animal. Remember.
Bug.
English, it's called bee.
Bee.
That's right. It's called a bee. Yay! Wow, you guys did so well. I'm so proud of you. Okay, I'm so sorry to say goodbye. I don't want to say goodbye, but we have to finish because this is our last program.
No quiero decir adiós, pero es el
Okay,
último
so
programa.
nice to meet all of you and have a nice day. See you later.
Nos vemos luego.
Wow, that was so much fun. Wow, did you
Sí,
guys
es muy divertido.
did you guys play well?
Ustedes jugaron muy bien.
I heard so many of you sing all the English animal names. Your pronunciation is really good.
Sus pronunciaciones es muy buena.
If you have fun, give us a heart. Give us a heart.
Si ustedes se divirtieron, denme un corazón grande.
Yay! For everyone. Well, that was our last program.
Este es nuestro último programa.
We had so much fun today, didn't we?
Hoy tuvimos un día muy divertido, ¿verdad?
We learned the cha-cha slide.
Bailamos el cha-cha-cha slide.
The hygiene video, don't forget.
No se olviden tener
The
una
Bible,
mascarilla.
the Bible verse, Jesus is in our heart, remember?
¿Recuerdan que Jesús está en nuestro corazón?
And we are no longer condemned. No more condemnation.
Nosotros no más no nos condenará. Dios.
We traveled to South Korea. So much fun.
Nosotros viajamos a South Korea
We're
y
able to
nos divertimos.
we danced and sung,
Nosotros bailamos, nosotros cantamos.
and we learned many new words in English.
Nosotros aprendimos nuevas palabras en inglés.
That's all the time we have for today, though.
Es todo lo que hoy pudimos aprender.
Let's do this again, okay?
Vamos a hacer otra vez. ¿Está bien?
Until next time. Bye.
Nos vemos la siguiente. Chao.